Welcome to this testing and unboxing process for this SGS 24 liter. It's 2.5 horsepower, and you can see the model number here. It's never been used, but it's going to be tested right now, so just going to put it to test right away. Inside here we've got the air filter. This should go on the side here. You just need to screw it up. Alright, there we go. Now for transportation purposes, I'm going to be taking these off, and I'm going to be replacing it with one of these just to avoid the oil spill, spilling out. And yeah, I've got the manual here. Here's the box and the packaging. Now normally it doesn't come with accessories, but I'm going to be selling it with the accessories. As you can see, I've got the hose, and I've got the air jack hammer. Alright, and I've got this other accessory. This is short nozzle blow gun, and this is the machine itself, the air compressor. And so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have it set up. Let me unbox this so that you can see what I've got inside. Right, so this is the manual, and we've got some chisel in different shapes, and there we've got the air gun. So I'm gonna be testing this for you as well. As I said, it's never been used, it's only been tested, so it's still brand new. Alright, here is the gauge, and to control it, in order to set the pressure, you need to take this out from here, put it inside the screw, and you'll be able to take off this top, and then you can adjust the air pressure that you want here. And on the manual you see a lot of information there, but if you're using this for the first time, it might be a little bit confusing to you. So that's why I'm just giving this extra information so that you can get started with it. So get it started with the hose, and to insert it, just jack this in. There you go. And here's the hose, and I've got the air jack hammer. Now the air jack hammer initially did not come with this adapter, but I've already inserted it there, so you don't have any stress with it. And just push this in. There you go. And the next thing we're gonna do is to put one of the chisel to the nozzle here. So let's see which one I'll be using. This, and right here we've got the holder. Okay, so right here you can see the positioning of the holder and the chisel. So in the same vein, I'm just gonna put this in this way, and right here it goes in, and you can screw it up, and then you just screw it in the clockwise manner. Just try to use the top one to turn it around to screw it up. If you're using the bottom one, it may not go through, so keep on pushing the top one onto the locks, and then we're ready to go. So I'm going to power this on right now. Here's the power button, and alright, for this, if you go through the manual, what it says is that you should avoid connecting this to an extension, but just for testing purposes, I'm going to be connecting it to this particular extension. Now to turn it on, all you need to do is to push it up. So let's get started. The pressure is building up. it's gonna cut out by itself. Alright, so once it gets to the maximum pressure that you set it to, it's gonna cut out. Now the work has just begun, so I can start using it from this point. Alright, so as you can see, you can hear the air spilling out a little bit here. That's it. And you can use it to break anything that you want to break. If you want to break a rock, and don't worry, as the pressure here is going down, perfect, yeah. As the pressure is going down, once it's the pressure from the tank is gone down, automatically the machine is going to start all over again by itself. So don't get panicked when the pressure reaches the maximum you set it to and it's shut down. Just keep on using it. When the pressure in the tank is gone down, automatically it's going to start off. And that's just how it works. As pressure keeps going down, it's going to turn on by itself. So you need to ensure that before you start it up or after using it, make sure you remove the air inside by removing there's a small, just a quick one. So after using it, you need to turn it off and then release the air from here. Okay, which we're gonna do right now. You need to decompress it